First thing for the cherry clafoutis tart is to clean the cherries from the pits by using tweezers. You can squeeze out the pits, and this is one of the easiest way to clean them cherries. Once you have your cherries ready, whisk together the eggs, egg yolk, and sugar. Then add the flour, then the milk, and the cream. Whisk until combined. We have pre-made the tart shell. We have a full video on how to make tart shells, so please feel free to go to our channel and check out this video as well. Arrange the cherries over the base of the pre-baked crust. Pour the butter over the arranged cherries, and we will be baking this cherry clafoutis tart for 40 minutes at preheated oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. This is a really simple but amazing dessert that can be done seasonally. You can swap the cherries for blueberries as well, which is gonna be a bit easier. It's an incredible way to finish any dinner, and I promise you, you won't regret taking the time to actually prepare this beautiful tart. Its simplicity is the key to this flavorful ending of your dinner. Let us know in the comments if you actually decide to prepare it, how it actually came out. And I just want to remind you that for us it's important, guys. Don't forget, subscribe with the bell, share, comment, press the like button. This really helps every small channel to grow and to be exposed to more people who want to see new or old classic recipes that really give us a boost. So please be our friends and give us a hand. Once the tart is baked, carefully remove the ring and serve warm or cold depending on your choice. Dust it with some powdered sugar. You can add to this beautiful tart a nice bowl of ice cream and drizzle maybe some chocolate on top as well. It's just beautiful by itself as well, so don't bother with the chocolate and ice cream. That's everything. Thank you for watching again, and we hope to see you next time.